All right, students, so you are about to identify the main idea for another text. We're going to be reading a short story called Fish Cheeks. You're going to start by just responding to this short question. Write about a time when you experienced shame or embarrassment due to your family, who you are, or your culture. So, this story is about a young girl who is embarrassed about her family. Then you're just going to take a look at this key vocabulary. Here are 5 words that you may or may not know. So just go ahead and take a moment to read through them and familiarize yourself with the words. All right, so this should look pretty familiar to you guys. You should have used this type of a document to annotate your copy of The Girl from the Well. So the only difference here is that you have all of these options. The signal word, vocabulary, compared item, compared on, problem, solution, cause, and effect. So we're not telling you what the text structure is for this. You need to identify it yourself. And you can do that by annotating for all of the text structures. There are 2 pages. Make sure you annotate for both pages. And then you will complete this activity by choosing the correct main idea sentence stem and responding to that. Once you're done with this activity, you will go in and take a short assessment in Schoology, and we're going to see how you guys are doing with this text structure reading strategy.